Police are following leads after intercepting a vehicle laden with explosives it was in Meriti, that's in Isiolo County. The vehicle is believed to have been heading to Nairobi for a wide-scale terror attack. An Al-shabaab gunman was killed in the shootout while another was arrested. The officers recovered quite a bit of arms, including 36 grenades and 5 automatic rifles. It also included improvised electronic devices, detonators, mobile phones and knives suspected to belong to Al-shabaab militia. Preliminary investigations showed that the impounded vehicle was heading to Nairobi, where the terrorists planned to use it as a vehicle-borne explosive device. Further investigations also revealed that the vehicle was assembled by Al-shabaab experts in Adde in Somalia.